Welcome to 14152 Stoney Gate Place. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is located in the Carmel Mountain Valley area of San Diego. Upon entering the home, you have your first living space or formal dining room. Hardwood floors throughout, and a nice chandelier. As we go forward, we lead into the kitchen area. Beautiful countertops, wooden cabinetry. Right off of your kitchen, you have another dining place or living space. Right off of that, you have a quaint and easy maintenance backyard. As we head back into the home, we have the main family room with access to the backyard and a gas fireplace. Extremely high ceilings. Underneath the stairs, we have your storage space. As well as your half bath for your guests downstairs. And your 2-car garage. Now we'll head upstairs. Right at the top of your stairs, you have your first bedroom. Lots of natural light. Wall closet. This room is large enough to comfortably fit a queen size, possibly even a king size bed. As we go into the second bedroom, again, more natural light. And this room is large enough to fit a queen size bed. Right outside this room, linen cabinet area. And your full bath, first full bath. And just to the left, we have the master suite. This room is also big enough to fit a king size bed. Now we'll head into the bathroom where you have your walk-in closet, dual sinks, shower, and separate toilet suite.